This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Leticia Hernandez. Welcome to Lindsford, a highly sought-after gated community in the heart of Fort Myers. This spacious 4-bedroom, 2-bath home sits on a corner lot. The open floor plan creates a bright, inviting atmosphere, perfect for entertaining or relaxing. The kitchen features granite countertops, stainless steel appliances and a walk-in pantry, while the main living areas are finished with tile flooring throughout high-traffic spaces and cozy carpeting in the bedrooms. Step outside to enjoy a fenced-in, spacious backyard with plenty of room to add a pool, ideal for outdoor gatherings or simply enjoying the Florida sunshine. With a touch of tender loving care, this home can truly shine for its new owner. Lindsford provides a resort-style lifestyle with an impressive array of amenities, including sparkling swimming pools, tennis and basketball courts, bocce ball, a fitness center, locker rooms, a catering kitchen, a spacious social room, and a children's play area. For more information, review the details below or contact Leticia Hernandez at 239-482-5700.